Welcome to our quarterly webcast, a short video interview offering you a close-up learning experience with an investment professional from NN Investment Partners. A lot of moving parts in the first quarter of 2015. Valuations kept adjusting to global events. What did you consider memorable and what could become memorable in the next couple of months?
It certainly was memorable. Looking at the action that ECB took with quantitative easing pushed valuations even further. And now really with Europe in the lead. Last year it was especially the US performing very well. Now Europe really has taken over. And you see that especially reflected in companies that have a strong exposure to, for example, dollar-denominated areas. So the exporters with dollar exposure are doing very well in Europe. At the same time, we now also see expectations that continental Europe itself will recover strongly, economically speaking. And that also has a positive impact on European stocks. Another remarkable development within the team has been that thanks to these developments, there's a lot of inflow, but therefore more assets to manage. We now surpassed the 2 billion euro under management. And for that reason, we also hired an additional senior PM.
Quite some changes over there. Let's go back to the declining euro. Does that indeed have a favorable response for your strategy?
Well, favorable when your position is right, of course. And we manage our strategy really from the perspective that, well, you should have exposures where you expect the developments to be. Last year we were indeed overweight for the US, and the US did very well. We changed that around the turn of the year, and that, well, looking back now, that has been a good decision, because now we also profit in line with the market from the developments in Europe. So in line with global indices, we make the same returns as the index in general.
I think I can summarize that there are a lot of changes in the environment. There are a lot of style drifts also to reckon with. Is sustainable equity strategy, is that a winning one?
Yeah, it is, certainly long term. We focus really on quality. And with this strategy, we are able to participate in markets that are going up very strong. And at the same time, we focus on companies that once a strong return of the market comes in vogue, or investors don't trust the market anymore, then we are probably in the candidates that are more resilient than the rest of the market, and therefore will outperform in very difficult environments.
Very thorough update, thank you.
You're welcome.
And if you would like to find out more about this strategy or any other strategy, do please visit us at nnip.com.